It is Saturday morning. Outside, the sky is gray and the rain is falling. My name is Alex. I am 35 years old. I live in a small, cozy apartment. Today, I am bored. I look at the walls. I look at the window. I walk to the kitchen. I am hungry and thirsty. I open the fridge and take a carton of milk. I pour the milk into a glass and drink it slowly. The kitchen is quiet. I look at the rain again. I want an adventure, I think. I don't want to stay home all day. I go to my closet. I find my yellow raincoat. It is bright and warm. I put it on. Then I take my big green umbrella. I put on my brown boots. I am ready. I open the door and step outside. The air is fresh and cold. I walk on the street. The water is everywhere. Splash, splash, splash go my boots in the water. I laugh. It is fun. I see a small cat near a park. The cat is small and gray. It is sitting under a wooden bench. The cat is dry and safe. "Hello, cat," I say. The cat looks at me and says, "Meow." I continue my walk. I walk for 10 minutes. The street is beautiful with the rain. Suddenly, I see a small, old building. It is between a cafe and a flower shop. There is a wooden sign. The sign says, "The Old Bookshop." The windows are full of books. The shop looks very warm and peaceful. I want to go inside. I open the door. "Ding," says the bell above the door. It is a very sweet sound. Wow, the shop is amazing. It is not big, but it is full of books. There are books on the walls, books on the tables, and books on the floor. The shop smells very good. It smells like old paper, coffee, and honey. It is very quiet. I see an old man. He is the shopkeeper. He has a kind face and a small smile. "Hello," he says quietly. "Hello," I say. I start to look at the books. I see books about history, books about cooking, and books about travel. In a corner, near a small lamp, I find a very big blue book. The cover is soft. I sit on the wooden floor. I open the book slowly. The book is magical. It has beautiful pictures of gold stars, big green dragons, and old castles. The stories are about heroes and faraway lands. I read the first page. The English is easy, and the story is wonderful. I like this book very much, I think. I sit there for a long time. I forget the rain. I forget the time. I stand up and take the blue book to the man. "I want to buy this book, please," I say. "A good choice," the man says. "This is a special book." I pay for the book. "Thank you very much," I say. "You are welcome. Enjoy your adventure," the man smiles. I open the door and go outside. The rain stops now. The sun is behind the clouds. There is a beautiful rainbow in the sky. I walk home with my new blue book under my arm. I am not bored now. I am very happy. It is a very good day.